2.7 million MOT tests. That's how many official UK records were analyzed to find the most consistently reliable cars on British roads today. And the car that came out on top? You can buy it right now for under £4,000. It's not trending on TikTok, and it's definitely not a glamorous £35,000 crossover. But if you ask independent garage mechanics what their own families drive when they clock off, it's exactly the cars on this list. Today, we're counting down 5 dirt cheap cars nobody wants in the UK, but that mechanics swear will run essentially forever. Starting with a diesel estate taxi drivers refuse to part with, and ending with the small car that absolutely dominated that 2.7 million test database. Let's go. Number 5. Skoda Octavia MK2, 2004 to 2013. There are cars built for image, and there are cars built for distance. The Skoda Octavia MK2 was built for distance. While it spent its life being overlooked in favor of fancier Volkswagen Group cousins, the Golf, the Passat, the Audi A3, it was quietly sharing their mechanicals at thousands of pounds less, with an estate boot so big you could practically move house with it. The Octavia Mark II sits on the same platform as the 5th-gen Golf. Same engines, same parts, but a Skoda badge that has always hammered resale values. What's a disaster for the previous owner is a gift for the used buyer. The engine mechanics smile at is the 1.9 TDI, a straightforward diesel with no DPF to block and no dual-mass flywheel drama. Skoda specialists report examples running past 200,000 miles on nothing more than regular oil changes and a Campbell done on time. One specialist quoted on record noted that some Octavia diesel taxis have cleared 300,000 miles without a rebuild. These sit at under £2,000 for early high-mileage examples, or £3,000 to £6,000 for clean mid-mileage cars with service history. The caveats: Campbell changes are non-negotiable, every 4 years or up to 130,000 miles. A belt and water pump at a specialist runs around £485. Miss it, and you're looking at an engine rebuild on a car that costs less than the repair. Stick with the manual gearbox for simplicity. It's essentially indestructible. And check under the sills for rust before handing over any money. Find a clean 1.9 TDI Octavia with a proper service history, and you found a car that a VW dealer would charge 3 times more for with nothing extra to show. Number 4. Mazda 6, 2002 to 2012. The Mazda 6 is one of the most underappreciated long-distance runners in the entire British used market. Nobody talks about it. It doesn't appear on enthusiast forums. It just keeps going while the cars everyone talks about are sitting in workshop bays. Mazda sits 5th out of 40 manufacturers in the Warranty Direct Reliability Index, built on real claims data, not press releases. The first and second generation Mazda 6 benefits from naturally aspirated petrol engines without the electronic complexity that causes such misery on premium German rivals from the same era. No turbo to fail, no DPF to block, no dual-mass flywheel drama. The 2.0-liter petrol manual is the version that keeps mechanics nodding. Owners regularly report crossing 150,000 miles without touching anything beyond routine consumables. The Tourer Estate variant adds an enormous, well-built boot that makes it genuinely useful as a family car. Interior quality on these cars was above the class average when new, and it shows. Door gaps stay tight, and interiors don't rattle apart the way cheaper rivals do at high mileage. Available for between £800 and £3,500 on UK classifieds for early examples, and £3,000 to £6,000 for cleaner later cars. The real enemy is rust on older examples. Check sill seams, rear arches, and the underside before committing. Find a petrol manual with a full service book and documented Campbell work, and you'll understand why the mechanics who work on these quietly hold on to their own. Number 3. Honda Jazz MK2 and MK3, 2008 to 2020. The Honda Jazz is consistently brilliant and consistently ignored by people who should know better. It doesn't look athletic. It doesn't have a desirable badge. What it does have is a reliability record that makes mechanics genuinely envious, and an interior layout so clever it regularly embarrasses cars twice its size and price. In the 2025 Honest John Satisfaction Index, the Jazz came 4th overall for reliability with a score of 96.81%. Real owners, real-world experience, not a manufacturer survey. What Car describes reported problems across the Jazz's generations as remarkably few. One AA Cars owner wrote that in nearly 7 years of ownership, the only money spent on the car beyond fuel and servicing was a single set of brake discs. Garage mechanics have complained, in genuine admiration, that Jazz owners spend less on their cars than the mechanics spend on their own vehicles. The engines are naturally aspirated Honda petrols, 1.2 and 1.3 liter in the Mark II, 1.3 and 1.5 liter in the Mark III. No turbos, no DPF, no AdBlue. Built with conservative tolerances and excellent oil control. The Magic Seat system drops the rear floor into the footwell rather than just folding the backrest forward, giving you 1,205 liters of flat usable space in a car that parks in the tightest city spots. MK2 examples trade from around £2,000. MK3 models from 2015 to 2020 sit between £5,000 and £11,000 for the cleanest. Insurance from Group 18 on early models. Road tax £195 flat rate for post-2017 cars. Get the manual over the CVT for simplicity, check the air conditioning is cold, and look for a full service history. Find a Jazz with a proper stamp book and consistent MOT history, and you've bought one of the most cost-effective daily cars in the UK. Number 2. Toyota Corolla E12, 2002 to 2007. The name alone is enough. Toyota Corolla, the world's best-selling car for decades. And the reason isn't marketing. The reason is that across generation after generation, on every continent, Toyota Corolla engines keep running while everything around them wears out and gets replaced. The E12 generation uses Toyota's 1ZZ-FE and 1NZ-FE petrol engines. Straightforward, honest units with minimal electronics and a mechanical simplicity that keeps repair bills low. Average annual repair costs for used Corollas at independent garages regularly come in under £300. That would barely cover a sensor diagnostic at a premium German main dealer. MOT data from Plate Insight, covering over 87,000 MOT tests across Corolla generations, shows a 93.4% pass rate on petrol models. These cars, now well into their second decade of UK road use, keep turning up for annual tests in numbers that embarrass manufacturers who believe in planned obsolescence. On today's market, E12 Corolla hatchbacks and saloons trade from around £800 for high-mileage private sellers, up to £3,500 for the cleanest dealer examples. Insurance groups in the low single figures. Parts available at every Toyota dealer and independent specialist in the country. The one thing to check is oil consumption on earlier 1ZZ-FE examples. A compression test before purchase is essential. Miss the cam bolt on belt-driven variants and you'll regret it. But find a clean, serviced Corolla with a proper history, and you've bought one of the most proven engines available for any money on any UK classified site. Number 1. Toyota Yaris, MK2 and MK3, 2011 to 2020. The Toyota Yaris is officially, quantifiably, verifiably one of the most reliable cars ever regularly tested on British roads. That is not opinion, that is data. Warranty-wise named the Yaris the most reliable used car in the United Kingdom, a conclusion drawn from real warranty claim data in the What Car? 2025 Reliability Survey. It scored 92.5%, more dependable than the Ford Fiesta, the Vauxhall Corsa, and most of the cars that dominate UK forecourt sales. 4 Toyota models appeared in Warranty-Wise's top 10 most reliable list again in 2024, year-on-year consistency that no other manufacturer has matched. The petrol versions specifically have a reliability edge that surprises people. Data from 2.7 million UK MOT tests shows petrol Yaris models consistently outscoring hybrid variants across every generation tested. The 2015 petrol Yaris achieved a reliability score of 609 out of 1,000, the highest of any Yaris in the dataset. The hybrid of the same year scored 483. For a used buyer on a tight budget, the petrol is the lower risk choice with straightforward repairs at any independent garage. When something does go wrong, and it will eventually, average Yaris repair costs sit at £888. Compare that to £2,002 for a Range Rover Sport. That gap is what badge prestige actually costs you. Clean Mark II examples from 2013 to 2015 trade between £3,000 and £5,500. Earlier high-mileage cars come in under £2,000. Insurance groups start in the low single figures. Road tax for post-2017 examples is £195 a year. Annual servicing at an independent garage rarely tops £200. Watch for brake pipe corrosion on pre-2013 models. It appears in MOT data as a critical failure and needs a proper underfloor inspection before purchase. Avoid the MMT automated manual gearbox in favor of a conventional manual or CVT, and look for a car with mixed or motorway mileage rather than a pure urban history. But find a clean, petrol, manual Yaris from 2013 onwards with a genuine service history and a stack of consistent MOT certificates, and you'll have bought one of the most data-backed, independently verified, affordable, reliable cars available anywhere in the world right now. Not enthusiasm. The MOT database speaking. 5 cars, none of them glamorous, none of them the thing you'd choose for the school gate or the company car park, but every single one built on engineering that mechanics recognize and respect, and priced at levels that make a single year of new car depreciation look like financial self-harm. The Skoda Octavia Mark II if you need space and a diesel that refuses to quit. The Mazda 6 if you want a well-built family car without the premium badge penalty. The Honda Jazz for fuss-free practical daily transport owners hold on to for decades. The Toyota Corolla E12 for bargain-price Japanese engineering with a 20-year UK track record. And the Toyota Yaris, backed by real MOT data and real warranty claims. As the single most cost-effective small car you can buy in this country today, badge prestige fades, honest engineering endures, and sometimes the smartest money is the money that never goes near a showroom at all. Which of these 5 is already on your driveway? And which would you walk straight past? Let us know below. We read every comment. Subscribe for the next one, and we'll see you there.